So these are the airless sprayer from Belmont Legazpi branch. This is the AGP airless sprayer, 91,500. So it can extend. Ang hose ani extendable din idong. Para kanamo kat-kat. So it has a 10-meter hose. So if you're spraying tall spaces there, got a variable speed. So the other type is the normal air compressor. This one is Hitachi Revicon. It's now only 75,000. Pila ni ka kuan ga? 9.5
horsepower. 2 horsepower.
2 horsepower.
Made in Japan.
Made in Japan. So this is a Japanese-made Rubicon. Hitachi Rubicon from Japan. Another Hitachi. This is the 3 horsepower. It's now only 93,750. So these are the low end ani. 3 horsepower from Taiwan, Sachi belt air compressor, 2780.
3 horsepower.
So this, but still 3 horsepower, but a lot cheaper than the Japanese made one, which is 93,750. So this is only 20,780 for the 3 horsepower Taiwan made Sachi belt. Kani Vespa air compressor, 1/2 horsepower, 12,880. Unsa pa nga naka?
1 horsepower ma'am is 15,400.
The 1 horsepower from Vespa is 15,400.
2 horsepower is 20,844.
Unsa ni siya 2?
2 horsepower ma'am.
2 horsepower from Vespa,
20,844.
20,844. Yan kaning mga dagko kayong dirigang
Kani siya ma'am.
adrita pikas. Kani sprayer gyapon ni guno. Air compressor from Lotus, 23,199, 1.5 horsepower.
Kaya ayan na 3-phase connection mo siya kana single phase.
This one,
3-phase connection.
3-piece connection air compressor, 5 horsepower by Vespa, 73,788. So kani
5 horsepower single phase.
single phase 76,000, 5 horsepower single phase. Kanigang
3-phase 3 horsepower.
3-phase 3 horsepower 44,300, and this is
Single phase 3 horsepower.
single phase 3 horsepower 49,580. Kaning sa man nga brand dong?
Ma'am kaya kasi karang gamit na ma'am mga dental.
Aw. Kani Michelin air compressor, 2 horsepower 45,999.75. So 1 horsepower siya. Michelin gapon ga no. So the same 33,499.75. Kani ang mga small horsepower Michelin 1 horsepower 14,999.75. So these are the kani mo ni mga compressor sa kanang gagmay lang no. Dental use 750 watts, 8350 Powercraft. And this one is 40 liter. Others are the small ones for dental use. So all your compressor need will be here. Nalagi dagko dagondong Powercraft. Sa man ni? 2 horsepower 950 watts. 2 horsepower from Powercraft, 11,250. Kanigang
horsepower ba?
another one anong lahi man siya ga? Barato lagi siya na.
Kali siya. Kaya siya ma'am 1.2 rin siya.
1.2 horsepower.
2 horsepower. 2 horsepower.
Okay, so this is 14,980 mo din kay 2 horsepower. Kana siya 1.2. Ano digital dong wakwa na yung pressure?
Di makita niyo mo ba pila ka pisa yung masunod mas
So it's got a digital monitor.
kuan ko ya po pisa yung ma-out pila to kuan.
So how many PSI that's out and in that's needed. So kani ding mga gagmay gamo din ni gamiton sa mga dentist.
siya. Wow, dental chair.
Sa dental chairs for dental clinics. 11 to 50. Air compressor din. Namo din murag-murag.
Ma'am, kung mahalan mo ito sa napay turbine, ma'am.
Turbine nga kuan, sprayer. So these are the turbine sprayer. Oh. Paint sprayer 37,560.
Ano yun? Kani mga pagkain ng big picture.
Meet kay dun. So these are the turbines from AGP brand 37,560. Another drain cleaner naman eh. That's another sprayer that they offer here.
Mas nato niya, ma'am. Mas nato. Siya.
For this one, more bigger airless sprayer. Pila ni ka horsepower dong?
What's the siya, ma'am?
Watts lang. 141, 185. 10 meters gyapon niyang kuan. Yang hose. 1,300 watts.
3,000 PSI.
3,000 PSI. From the brand AGP. Di hindi ka ng AGP dong.
Taiwan, ma'am.
Taiwan din siya.
Special na.
Special sprayer, no?
Nagano nga sigara mga pupunta sa building, no?
Okay. Dali mamahuman.
Paspas ang trabaho.
Because with sprayer, your painting
Ang
job.
lagi ni after gamit, tip yun.
After use, it is recommended that you have to clean up the hose. Ang parts niya, like hose,
Pwede mo ka-order ang tagong house.
maka-order, ah.
Pero na, set na niya, included na.
Ang warranty ani dong,
6 months service warranty sa yung motor.
motor. Yung mga parts,
Order
pero ang yung warranty sa parts, wala. Sa
free service lang.
free service within 6 months. So you have the warranty. Kaning ubang compressor, pila yung warranty ani dudong.
Ang power cut, ma'am, 3 months service warranty.
Ang kaning Michelin,
6 months service warranty.
6 months for Michelin. And then Vespa, mao gyapon 6 months service warranty. So it's around 6 months service warranty. The same with AGP. Only the power crop is 3 months.
Ano kung dito na nagsubaw kita niyo?